Today, let's relax in cat-cow posture. So I'm getting into all fours. It's a tabletop posture. My hands are in line with the shoulders and knees are in line with the hips. To perform that posture, let's get into an Indian cow. This is the posture of cow. Okay? And this is cat. When you are performing cow, we need to breathe in and look up with a nice spinal movement. Breathe out. Curve your abdomen inwards and get into the cat posture. Breathe in, look up, breathe out, abdomen inwards. Breathing in through your nose, out through your nose. You can also use the pursed lip breathing method. In nose and out pursed lips with a nice spinal movement. Relax in this posture. Breathe out. And when you're ready, look straight. You can release the posture. Great spinal movement with a deep relaxation. See you next time. Till then.